Okay, folks, exercise number 4 here says complete. It says the fraction used to look like this. Now it looks like that. What do we need to do to the denominator? Okay, well, let's see. The very first thing that I need to do is take the fraction that I have. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to rewrite this. And I need to factor the denominator of the second. What goes into both of them? Libby? Y. Y times 4 minus y. Okay, good. Now I'm going to ask myself, Boyd, what changed between this denominator and this denominator? Okay, so what do I do to the numerator of this one? And what do I get? Perfect. That one's done.
Wait, why wouldn't she want to put the y squared first?
Now, let me say something about that, Jet. I could spend time doing that. Absolutely. But it doesn't really help us on this one. Jet said, don't I want to rewrite this thing in standard form? Typically, yes, I do. But for this one, I see that they're both in this form, and I'm just trying to find out what did I do to this to make it that, right? Because I just want to know what this numerator is going to look like. So rather than taking the time to put it back in the standard form, it doesn't really help me here, okay? So I'm just going to factor it and say, okay, what did I do? And it's multiplied by y, so I multiply the numerator by y. Done. Welcome. Next problem. It's exercise number 5. Please simplify. What is happening in this problem? Raise your hand. Tell me what's happening in this problem. Ryan. I do, because I'm adding fractions, right? And whenever I add fractions, I have to have a common denominator. Cameron, what is the common denominator between 15 and 10? 30. Nice. Now, coolest, what did I do to 15 to make it 30? Multiplied it by 2. So I have to multiply a minus 6 by 2. Okay? Lauren C., what did I do to the 10 to make it 30? So I need to multiply this by 3. 4 minus a. Now, Jet, this goes back to your question a second ago, right? I'm not looking to cancel anything. I'm going to be simplifying this stuff. Is it going to help me to put this thing in standard form? Negative a plus 4?
Oh, yeah.
No, because in the end, I'm combining all that stuff anyway, right? So look, here's what happens. I'm just going to put all of this over 30. I'm going to distribute 2a minus 12, and this is positive 3, right? Plus 12. Oh, nice. Plus 12. Minus 3a. Okay? So the 12s, positive, negative, they just cancel. 2a minus 3a is negative a over 30. There's no way I can cancel anything there, and that's it. Okay? Nice.
Let's go for a third one.
Let's try the third one. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Okay. This is one of those mixed expressions. These are pretty easy because we know that the denominator here is 1. Okay? So what's the common denominator, Max, between these two fractions? 2a plus 5. So I'm going to put 2a plus 5 here, and I'm going to put 2a plus 5 here. What did I do to the first denominator, Harrison?
You multiplied it by 2a plus 5.
So I need to multiply 2a squared by 2a plus 5. Did I do anything to the second denominator?
No.
So I'm just going to leave a minus 1 there, but remember, it's minus that stuff. So now when I write this all as one fraction, it's going to be 2a plus 5 on the bottom, and on the top, I'm going to get 4a cubed plus 10a squared minus a plus 1.
Question, why don't you just cancel out the 2a plus 5 with the 2a plus 5 on the bottom?
If I do that, this becomes a 1. Can I put them together, Boyd?
Oh, no, I mean on the other side.
Wait, you want me to cancel these two a's?
No, I mean the 2a plus 5 on the left, on the top, and at the bottom right. 5 seconds.
Because these aren't being multiplied.
5 seconds.